day 7 of the 100 algorithm challenge. I've been doing it straight in a row. I believe for 3 or 4 days. I started it last week. I haven't been doing algorithms in general. I was working on WordPress, so now I'm trying to get back into algorithms. But even just doing it last week for 3 days, I feel like I've been improving. This is actually the one I did yesterday. I usually like to start with warm-ups, easy warm-ups, and then try to get higher. But actually in Code Wars, I'm almost done with most of the warm-ups. Just looking at my book really quick. Just gonna go to the page that I need. Okay. So this is what I did. This is what I did yesterday. Um, let's see if I spend more time. I'm feeling better too, actually. I wasn't feeling too great almost this whole month because of I had to go to the dentist, and they did a lot of work, so it kind of had me sick. And then like I hurt my leg too. But now I think all that stuff is going away, and we are feeling better, and feeling better. Okay, so let me start with JavaScript. I'm probably gonna do JavaScript and TypeScript today. So I will start with an AQ. Most of the AQ have been taking me longer than I thought. Let's see where I'm at with in Code Wars. So I probably need maybe 2 or 3 more to get myself to 5Q. 5Q, I'm still considered like a novice, so I'm gonna try to get myself to 4Q by next year. That's almost like blue belt. Like I've done algorithms in other places. Like I've done free code camp algorithms. I know a lot of different algorithms, but object array. Okay, so let's see. So let's go to positive feedback JavaScript. Let's go to. Okay, so I've done a lot. Um, I've done a lot of the regular ones. Character frequency. Let's see. I might have to start doing 7Q, which is actually good. I think I might do a 7Q today. I did a lot of the. Can we divide it? I'm not really seeing any that I want to do in 8Q right now. Sum the string. So that's actually probably a good thing. This is probably easy. So you know what? I might just do this one because it's pretty easy, and then it's kind of get myself started, get myself in the programming mindset. Today I'm gonna do it for. I'm gonna put some music. So I'm gonna start focusing on React. So after this, I'm probably gonna be doing. That's kind of loud. Sorry. Okay. So 1, 2. Okay. So we have this one. Okay. Is n. Okay. Okay. So we have this. So I never really actually type into Code Wars. I do it all from a different thing called Ghost Tech. So you can see Ghost Text here. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna start Ghost Text. You have to download the plugin. So then what I do is I go back to I go back here, and then I enable Ghost Text here, and then you have to click it on the text area. So I'm gonna click here. So I have here. Now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna make this big. So 1 second. So I'm actually typing in here. I have to click on another file, then I have to click this file to get it to work. And let's just test it. This is VS Code. Okay. I'm gonna try to see if I'm gonna do something really quick. I'm normally looking to the left, but I'm going to see if I just. So I'm gonna have this here, and then have my terminal, because I have 3 monitors, so I'm gonna just have it straight. Okay. And then this is VS Code. Okay, that's actually probably better. So VS Code. Okay, so let me get back to VS Code for a second. Nope, that's not what I wanted. What is this? Main monitor? Let me get rid of that. Okay. So this is so this is VS Code. So let's switch to Babel, and then let's get Quokka. Quokka start on file. So I'm just gonna do return. No. Console.log n xy nxy. So let's do that. Let's call is divisible. Okay, is divisible. Okay, so we're just gonna put them numbers 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now you can see it works. So if you're trying to do my same setup, just ghost text and Quokka. I think there's another one called Wallaby, but I don't know how to use that. I think you have to pay for that one too. So just use Quokka. It's free. They have a premium version. I think if you type in TypeScript, it kind of just shows you right next to it. If you continue watching the video, you'll probably see that. Okay, so I am going to let me switch you over. I keep pressing that. Let me switch you over to this, and let me type. So create a function is divisible by nxy. Nxy that checks if a number n is divisible. Number n is divisible by 2 numbers. So okay. Okay. So let me do this. Okay. So these are their tests. I'm gonna put their tests into mine. So I just have to copy Control F, Control F. So let me paste this. The only thing is, replace console dot no yeah, console.log. Yeah, console.log. That's all I have to do. So replace all. So let me delete this. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Okay. So let me just okay. So it works. Right? No. I just have to put this, and it should start work. Okay. So is divisible. Um, I'm gonna rename this first division. Second division. Second division. Input. Okay. So how am I gonna do this? So I think I'm just gonna do if else. So if no. So let me just do something really quick. So let me return input modulo division first division. So that should give me, okay, so this one has a remainder. I think I could do this. I don't know if this is nice. So if input equals 0 and input divide second division equals 0. Okay. So if this equals 0, return true. Wait, right? Okay, yeah, return true. Okay, this should work. I don't know how nice this is. False. Okay, return false. So this should work. I'm gonna try to put this in. I'm gonna try to put this in what's it called? Show. Let me see. Simple replace with. Okay. So it wants me simplify if else. So I want to see what they do. Return. Okay. So huh. Okay. I see what they're doing. So let me do my ternary operator, but let me see. Let me do it from my head first. So that's the question mark. So it's question mark, then true. Let me see it. Okay. True, false. Okay. Return. Oh, I didn't know the return. Okay. Okay, this should work. Let's delete this. It's tempted. I am 251. Pass. Okay, submit. I am 2. So that was easy. Okay. Return. Okay. Let's see what they're doing here. I kind of like my extra information. So let me see. Return. Okay, so it's just returning. It just returns. So if it just returns this, it returns true and false. Okay. Okay. So I might switch over. Let me check where am I in my ranks. Let's see. I want to get myself to 5Q by this week. I'm gonna switch over to TypeScript. Or let me see. If I find any good ones, I could do that as well. JavaScript. I don't really find any good ones quickly, then I'm just gonna switch over. I'm gonna try to keep track of the algorithms I'm doing too. I'm around 10, not even. I'm probably like at 12. Okay. Um. I don't really find any that I want to do here. Okay. One number. Repeat it. Return the day. Well as ideas. I might look at this. Very good kata. Uh, very good. Uh, mm, if this in this kata, you need to check the provided array for good ideas. And bad ideas. If there are one or two good ideas, return publish. If there are two, more than two. Okay, so I have to do something where I search. So let me look at uh, mm, not open. It's not on. Okay, that is what I wanted. So let me type uh. Okay, actually, I don't even think I have to look at anything for this. So, let me do this, and then I'm gonna switch because this is pretty easy. So let's put ghost text on this. Okay, so I have ghost text here. Um, I'm gonna refresh it because I don't want to see those boxes. So ghost text, click on, click. Okay. So I have I have ghost text working. Let me make it full screen. So I don't think I have to look at anything. Um, let's close this. Close this. Okay. Let me. Um, let me see something. Okay, let me switch to Babel. Start Poco again. Start Poco on file. Okay, So let me get all these tests. Test assertion. I'm trying to learn how to do tests myself. I started using Jest a little bit. I did like the beginner stuff with it. Okay, so test assertion, Control F. Console.log, test. So I like to see these tests actually. Test assertion equals. Okay. Test. The last one was test assertion similar. Okay, replace all. Okay, publish. Okay, so this is for me. Okay, so ratings. So just gonna test if it returns it. Ratings. Okay, it returns it. Good. I think I could just do a for loop. So let's say for each for. Let me see. For tab? No. I wonder if I have any things to make myself do for loops quicker. I'm gonna check my extensions really quick. JavaScript snippets. JavaScript. Okay, code snippets. So let's see. So if I want to do trigger for okay, for each, for in, for of, for in. What about just like a regular for loop? Let's see. Okay, I like these snippets. But I'm not gonna use. What about these? Babel JavaScript. Oh, I already have this. Okay. Integrate Java standard JS. Oh no, that's not what I want. Okay, JavaScript snippet pack. So, huh. So what I'm looking at here is VS Code extensions. I never really look at them too much, but these aren't bad for each. FN. Let me see. So if I think if I type FN or if I type in AFN, okay, call function. Uh, actually, let me see. What is this JavaScript booster pack? Okay. Extend and shrink, selection, roadmap. Okay, I'm gonna get back to coding. Okay. JavaScript. Hmm. Okay. So so I did this. I just wanted to test something for fn function name. Okay. So that does create a function. Cool, cool. What about afn? Okay. Oh no, that's a different thing. afn. Let me see. Animation. What do I? Why do I have stuff for animation? Uh, Java. Let me see. JavaScript snippets. var pl. If else. Okay. What about for? Okay. I'm following these JavaScript functions, and if I do fl, it's a for loop. Okay. So let's see. Let's test this out. So fl. No. Do I have to? Do I have to restart it? fl. Yes. Okay. So I got a for loop in like 2 seconds. Let's see if this helps me do things quicker. Format document. Okay. So we got, and what we're trying to do is we're returning rating. So what we're trying to for uh hey morning, what's going on, man? How's everything? So okay, so so um yeah, I'm just doing my algorithms again today. I'm probably gonna switch to I'm gonna do this. I feel pretty good today too. So like this past week, I didn't feel I think I was getting sick. So I probably could do more today. So I'm probably gonna do these algorithms, the code war ones, and then the TypeScript ones. And then I'll switch over to let me actually where are you? Uh, how do I move the chat? Okay, so maybe I could just have that here. I think I could just do that here. Okay. Uh, so okay. Right now I'm kind of just messing around with. Oh, yeah. So I did one already. The one I did before. Give me 1 second. So this is okay. This is the one I'm doing right now. This is like I'm doing just a warm up one. This isn't really that hard, but I'm gonna switch over to slightly harder ones after. I'm kind of just doing. I'm trying to. This one it just requires like a for loop, but I was learning about snippets really quick. So if I just type in RL or for loop, is that what it is? No. If I just type in what is that for? FL? FL. Yeah, FL. It just gives me a for loop instantly. So that's kind of cool. Like it's like a JavaScript snippet. So I found that interesting if I keep doing this. So all I have to do is in this one if this array has good let me see. If it has good 2 times, I just have to return publish. If it has good, no, if it has good more than 2 times, I have to return I smell a series. And wait, let me actually, oh no, if it has one or two, if it has 1 or 2 good ideas, return publish. If there's more than 2, return I smell a series. So okay, so I have here, so all I have to do is look for good. So I'm gonna I think I could do count good. Count good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Let count good or good count equals 0. So okay, good count equals 0. So for so I think I could just do if statement, if so ratings, I'm gonna erase this. Actually, I think they do this for a reason. Yeah, I think they do this part so I don't keep calculating ratings.length. Okay, so length equals I. Okay, I plus. Okay, so I'm gonna just check if ratings I rating I equals good. Good count plus good count plus. Uh, okay, and that's this part. Okay, now let me just see. So if I have if good count is the good count is so if it has 1 or 2. So if it's greater than 0, so if it's greater than 0 and less than I don't know if I could, and good count is less than, and it has to be less than 3. So it has to be 1 or 2. So if it's this, then so if it's this, let me make this nicer. Okay, so the return publish, and I need the quote, I need the exclamation mark. So now if there's else, if else, if else, okay. I'm trying to do some of these quicker with snippets. I'm understanding it a little better, but the point isn't speed. The point is just understanding it, and then understanding it and making sure everything is clean, easy to read, and as optimized as possible. Okay, so if good count is greater than 2, we're going to return I smell a series. I smell a series, else return oh, this is wrong. Return else return you don't need the semicolons, but I like to get into the habit of doing them. Okay, and then if it's less, fail. Okay. Okay, so I don't need to return this. Okay. So let me see. Let me look at this. Let me format it. So let me see something. Let me get rid of. So these console.logs are just for me. Cause I just do the. You could do the test with You could do their test, but I kind of just test it automatically. Good count. Good count. Hmm. Let me see. Let me see if I'm doing this correctly. Let's see. Let's console.log good count. I wonder if it's actually doing it. return. Oh, I think this is else if. Let me undo that. Else if. Okay. Let me see. So this should be, it should be fail, publish, and I smell a series. So let me see. Good. Oh wait, somewhere. Oh, see, this is where I have it wrong. Good count. Okay, good count. Okay. Okay, let me not console that log this. Okay, alright. So it should work. The way I'm kinda doing it. If you want to see my VS Code. So I kinda have it here. I'm gonna remove. So I have it exactly how it has it. Fail, publish, I smell the series. The only thing is I don't know how optimized this is. Oh, whatever. Can I fix that? Whatever. I can't fix that right now. So let me format it. I use Prettier to format it. So right here you can kind of see fail, publish, I smell a series. And then this is for me, so I could return this and it should work. Let's see. Sometimes I like to look at their suggestions. Let me see. No. Let me see. Yes. Can I do ESLint on this? Let's see. Format document. So I'm just gonna look at this really quick and just see if um if um if I like it, or if anything I should change. This should definitely run. This is good. So this right here, it's kind of the reason it's doing this. Sometimes people just do ratings.length, but every time they do I less than whatever array or string.length, but I think that always calls it. So I think this right here helps it run quicker. Maybe the good could change, but anyway, this is good enough for me. So let's attempt. Let's see. Let's see if it passes. It should pass. So I'm 253. So now I should be 250, 255. So okay, let's see how everyone else did it. Oh, theirs is pretty easy. Oh, okay, they did it with filter. Okay, so good count, const good count, x dot filter, good, good dot length. Okay, I'm gonna write. See, I like how they kind of did there. And they also, I wanted to do this conditional statement, but I wasn't sure how. Okay, so I kind of like how they did theirs. So let's see where we're at in Code Wars. I'm close, but I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna start switching. I'm not gonna do Code Wars ones anymore. I'm gonna do I'll probably be done by next week. I should be by 5Q. So right now I'm gonna do go to my main monitor. Okay. So I'm gonna do I'm going to do so I have here 100 algorithm challenge. So if you see in my description, I don't know if you're watching me on YouTube or if you see in my description, I downloaded a file from, he's a YouTuber, Dylan Israel, and he has 100 algorithms that you could go with. They're all in TypeScript, so if you don't know TypeScript, it might be a little harder. But TypeScript, if you know JavaScript, TypeScript takes like 5 minutes to learn. He also has a video series on Udemy, so if anyone wants to follow that. So I'm gonna do them here. I've been doing a few of them. These are actually the 100 algorithms that I'm basing my thing off, but I have to see. So I already did two good warm-up ones. They're just in alphabetical order, so they're not by difficulty, but today I feel like I could do a slightly harder one. Almost increasing sequence. Okay. Given a sequence of integers as an array, determine whether it's possible to attain a strictly increasing sequence by removing no more than one. It's a little harder. If anyone's following this, if they have like any recommendations, I could probably send the link. Actually, I'm gonna put the link up because I have it. Where do I have it? Pizza. You lost your script. What do you mean you lost your script? Oh wait, what website are you using? Are you using? I guess you're doing mobile because pizza poker guy. Okay, so if you want to follow along with the TypeScript ones, if you go to actually I have it on the left side. So you go to pizza poker guy and you type and you look at his algorithms. Um are 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 you doing it on your phone or do you have a laptop? Okay. So if you go here and you type, oh yeah, that sucks. If you have it, like I don't know if you watched my series from the beginning, but I use something called Ghost Text and Quokka. So you don't have to like Code Wars gives you tests, but with Quokka you can kind of see the test like instantly. And with Ghost Text you can kind of just grab the ones from Code Wars. But so this is where I'm getting mine off. So if you just type in algorithm, if you just type in 100, yeah, see, if you type 100 algorithm challenge, now he has a Udemy course. I actually purchased the Udemy course, so I kind of could see how so I could kind of compare his to mine. So you could clone this repository and then you get all these. It's in TypeScript though, so so yeah, he also has a YouTube channel. I think he goes over most of them. So okay, so let me let's see. I have to learn more data structures too, but that's data structures takes me a little more time. Okay, so let me see. Let's try to pick one. Let's try to pick one. Pick one to do. Maybe I could get myself a tea. Uh, or if you wanna, or I guess if you wanna if you're following along, lie, I guess that's how you say it, lie. If you wanna pick one, we could probably just do it together. Or I'm not sure. I could probably do almost any right now. Yeah. I might do this one. Are equally strong. I might do this one. I'm gonna get a T. I'm gonna get a T really quick. Um, Maybe I'll just finish it. Actually, no, I might just finish it. Uh, so I might do this one. Uh, I'm thinking of doing this one. Uh, okay. Let me make this smaller. So I'm gonna do the one where it says call two arms equally strong if the heaviest. Okay, let me read it really quick. I saw this before, so I think this is probably like a level up from the other ones. Call two arms equally strong if the heaviest weights they each are able to lift are equal. Call two people equally strong if their strongest arms are equally strong. The strongest arm can be both the right and the left, and so are their weakest arms. Let me make this 1 second. Call two arm. Okay, two arms. Okay, two arms equally strong. Call two arms equally strong if the heaviest weights they're able to lift are equal. Okay. Call two. Oh, okay, two arms and people. So we're kind of separating arms from people. I'm starting to run out of. Okay. Let me see. Call two arms equally strong if they're able to arms people strong if their strongest arms. Call two people equally strong if their strongest arms are equally strong. Okay, the strongest arm can be both the right and the left. Give your and your friend's arms lifting capacity and find out if you two are equally strong. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Um, Actually, this is available on this link right here. So if you click this or if you type this, you could get this in code fights. But I don't really want to do code fights, so I'm gonna put this here so to make it easier for anyone. You could also download the algorithm. I mean, not the algorithm. Yeah. You could just clone the GitHub repository. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna get a T. I'm gonna see how many I do. Let's see. So I'm gonna put that up. If anyone wants to look at it, I'm gonna do a T. It's not gonna take me. Actually, I just have to heat the T first. And I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm heating up my tea, so we can start this one. I'll probably have to get up in like a few minutes to brew it or steep it. Okay, so we have this here. We have this here. I want to see what level on code fights this one is. I don't think it's a high level, but I kind of just wanna. What is a control click? Open. So I have this on code fights. Let's see what level. What is draft solutions? Okay, so I have this on code fights. How do I do this? So this is a code fight. So I have this on code fights if I need to see anything. But let's start it. I'm just gonna not put anything up. Whatever. I'll just do it like that. Okay, so let's start this. Equally strong. So I have this here. So this is TypeScript. So toggle word wrap. This is I gotta run Quokka. For this, I don't need ghost text, so this is Quokka here if anyone wants to see it. So right now I'm just gonna test. Okay, no, let's console.log. So these are the tests. Console.log, console.log. Okay, so let's just return. What is this want? Okay, I'm trying to work with snippets a little bit, but return your left. Return your left. Okay. Okay. So I have four arguments. Okay. Return are equally strong. Huh. Okay. So my left, my right. Okay. Let me see, how do I do this? So this one's slightly harder. But it's not too bad. So your left, your right. So I think if I think what I should do is compare your left and your right. So off the top of my head, okay, okay, yeah, no, let my highest lift. No, my highest lift. It could be lift or arm, but it could be my highest arm or lift. Technically, it's arm, but okay, my highest lift minus Oh, and I have to. This is TypeScript, so this is gonna be well. This is TypeScript, so this is gonna be a number. Equals. Okay, my highest. No, no, no. Am I doing this? So I'm still new to TypeScript, so I still kind of make mistake. How to do TypeScript? Um, how to do TypeScript? Oh no, I think. Okay, I think I do this. There we go. So let, and then this is number. Yeah, I think this is the way. Yeah, number. So 0. So this is 0. Let me see if I did that correctly. I'm just looking. This seems correct. So all I'm doing is I'm just trying to compare. Trying to find my highest lift, then find their highest lift, and then we'll see who's stronger. I'm just gonna open up a TypeScript tutorial. Okay, I think I'm defining them correctly. Okay, yeah, I think I'm defining TypeScript type number. Let me find an image. Yeah, so I did it correctly. So you first define it. So I'm looking at it here. So I'm looking at it here. So let is done, and then you define the type. Okay, so mine is correct. Um, so um, so my highest. So let's do a turn A operator. Uh, I think I could do this in one line, but let's do let's see. Uh, I know I could do if else statement. If else. So if okay, if your left is greater than your right, if so if your left is greater than your right, what is this? Your right is not defined. It is defined. It's defined right here. Oh, you know what? See, yeah, there we go. If your left is greater than your right, if your left is greater than your right, my highest lift equals your left. Okay. Right? Let me console.log it really quick. Console.log. My highest Okay, 15, 15. Okay. Uh, my highest equals your left. Else else if else if oh nice. Yeah, this one isn't too crazy hard. Let me finish it really quick. Like all I'm gonna do is I kind of already have the idea how to do it in my head. So else if so else if you're right. I'll probably start doing it a little bit quicker. You're left. Um, my highest equals your right. Uh, else if else if else if there your left equals your right. Else if your left equals your right. My highest left equals if they're same. Well, if they're same, it doesn't matter. Uh, okay. Um. Okay. Let me. What did I do here? Return. Let me just return. Let me return my highest lift. My highest lift. Okay. Okay. So this is correct here. My highest lift. Uh, the only thing is, uh, mine is mine. I think is gonna work, but it's kinda too much. But let's see. Um, maybe there's a way I could go. Like maybe I can find the simpler way. Okay. Anyway, so let's do let there. No, friend highest friend your highest my highest. So let's type in. Let's keep my let's your okay your okay um okay so let's type in let friend highest lift. Okay, TypeScript number equal 0, and I think there's always going to be inputs. So let me copy this, and all I have to do, this is already looking like it's becoming really complicated. It might solve the answer. The code is on what form? So you could find it. Uh, so if you type in right there, code fights, it should send it. Um, or is that what you're asking? Uh, friend, friends left. Okay, friends left, friends right. Uh, friends highest left. Uh, friends friends left. Um, TypeScript. Oh, yeah. So TypeScript is like, they like to say it's like a subset of JavaScript. Give me 1 second. I'll give you the answer in 1 second. Uh, your friends left. Friends highest left. Friends right. Friends left. Friends right. Friends higher. Friends highest left. Friends higher. Friends. Yeah, mine is. I'm not liking how it's looking. I think it'll answer the question, but let me see. So let me just console.log your highest lift 15 15 15 console.log friends highest lift 15 15 15. Okay, so let me read it really quick. So I have to the output. Okay, okay, so I just have to output true or false. Uh, so this just outputs true or false. Okay, so I think all I have to do is return return your highest equals friends highest lift, and this is ternary. So if your friend do I console log boolean true and boolean false. uh okay, so think I think I have it here. It just there's a lot of if else statements that I probably could fix, but I think it answers the question. The only thing is, let me see, is this TypeScript? This is JavaScript. So I'm gonna look at Udemy. I'm gonna look at the answer really quick. If you want to post your answer, let me see. So let me. So this is my answer right here. So this should work. Now I'm looking at the answer really quick here. Let me see what they. So this is are equally strong. Are equally strong. So let me see it. Uh, yeah, yours looks a lot easier than mine. Let me see how he does it. Oh wait. So one of mine isn't correct. Let me read this. So I think I'm doing this not correctly. So I don't think I'm doing it correctly. That's probably because, okay, call two arms equally strong if they're each are able to lift are equal. Call two people equally strong if their strongest arms are equally. Give you and your friend's arms. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second because um so, yeah, the description for this one's a little confusing. Um, I'll look at yours in 1 second. Okay, so let me go back to mine. So my these two numbers right here, these two numbers, they have to, the total here has to be the same. So I'm just gonna put, let's see, maybe a total. So return your highest lift. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. Your highest lift. Your highest lift. I'm just gonna put totals. I'm gonna look at yours in like 1 second. And I'll look at his too, so we could kind of just all compare. So I know a way to solve it, but I'm gonna try to see if I could do better ways. Cause like I saw you did like math. Like yeah, I saw you. Yeah. Okay. So total. I think I could just do. I think I could just. I think I could just do this and uh your your left plus your right equals your friends left plus friends right. Oh wait. Can I do this? Friends right. Friends right. Wait. Oh, this is a plus, not a. Okay, so this is my answer. Let's look at his answer, and then we'll look at your answer as well as I. So I'm gonna put this on the screen here. Uh, so let's okay, my face is kind of in the way, so let me fix that. Okay. Uh, let's put his answer. We'll put your answer as well. Let me kind of see how he does his, and I'll try to look at yours as well. One second. Okay, so so this is kind of what I wanted to do. So he does it. So you're weakest. Okay, let me see. His last name is right. Okay, let's see. So he's kind of doing the same as I have, but he's doing it with terminate operators, which I have to see, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably write this down after. Let me save this. Okay, let me look at yours. I'm gonna look at yours right now. So if let me just finish his. Okay, so he kind of did it. So he did it similar to mine. Um, he did it similar to mine. It's just he used terminate operators, and yours is okay. Let's see. Functions are equal. Okay, return. Okay, math.max. Okay. Oh, that's actually smart. Yeah, that's actually good. The only thing is, I wonder how long if math.max is um how do you say it? How long that takes? I don't think math.max takes too much time, but that's just kind of something to think about. Anyway, so let me like what is it like the performance of it, but like this stuff doesn't really matter. Like it for this doesn't really matter, but I'm just kind of just thinking about it. So like I wonder if this is quicker. Yeah, yeah. Like I think off the top of my head, I think math.max might be. I like how it is, how yours looks. Let me actually read it really quick to understand it. Return math.max. Okay, that's good. Uh, math.max. Your left, your right. Okay, so you're returning the highest. Okay, and you're returning his highest, and then okay, since it's only two numbers, and then you're returning and math.min. Okay, uh, and if they're both equal, true or false. Okay, yeah. Uh, yeah, that seems. I like your way too. I think that way is good. I think your way might even be easier to read. I just wonder runtime, but um, that's not the biggest deal. It's just something to think about. Oh, maybe I could type it here. Let me type it here. Uh, math dot math JavaScript performance. Uh, style of math dot math. Okay, so this is what I'm kind of looking at. Okay. In JavaScript, is it better to do the second scene? So like yeah, like I think exactly what this guy is saying. Uh, exactly what this guy is saying is what I'm saying. Like math.max is just easier to read. The second seems clear as it's showing intent rather than implementation. I doubt they're ready or any performance. Uh, okay, so I think if statements are yeah, I think it's the same thing. Yours is definitely more readable, and I think if statements are a little more performant. Let me see. Let me see. It's honestly not by a lot. It's probably like let me see. Run test. It's probably like the uh let me see. Yeah, it's honestly like oh, they perform basically the same. I think so if they perform the same, I think using math.max, math.min is probably better. Yeah, so yeah, I think yours is better. That's good. That's something that I could think about. Okay. So I did this. Huh. But did it say yours is quicker? Okay, they're basically all the same. And if you want it more readability, I think yours is the best option. Let's see. So, uh, uh, so okay. So okay, let me go back to here. So this is mine. I'm gonna just leave it like this, but I kind of know different ways now. So um, mine works. It doesn't look good. If I'll probably do it next, I'll do it either with ternary operators or I'll do it with math.max, math.min, probably math.max, math.min. Okay. Okay. So I got this. I finished this one. So, I'm probably gonna work on. I'm gonna work on React stuff. So I'm not sure if you like seeing React stuff. So I only try to do like algorithms for a little bit. I'm gonna work on relearning some React stuff. So I'm gonna be doing this after. So I've done these. I've already done this in React. Like I've done this course, but it's kind of just a refresher for me. So I'm not gonna take a long. I'm just gonna stop it and then start it again, and I'm just gonna change the name. So give me 1 second. So I only really know Angular 2 JS is good. Angular 2 is good. I think I think they're like on Angular 4 now, but I know React. And I did Vue project like last week, and the Vue project is similar to uh, Okay, so I'm gonna do React. Um, yeah, I'm gonna do React. So I'm gonna just stop it maybe for like 15. Not even. I'm gonna probably just yeah, I'm just gonna stop it for a little bit. I'm just gonna stop it, just change the name, and then I'll be back in like 15. I shouldn't take me too long. If anyone's interested in programming, uh, or web development, I have a few interesting links in my YouTube description. They're actually affiliate links, but you don't have to buy them from me. They're really good, especially if you're doing HTML and JavaScript. If you're still interested in the channel, subscribe. If there's stuff that you like, let me know. If there's stuff that you didn't like, also let me know. I'm gonna be doing algorithms almost every day in React. Probably for the next week. So I'll be back in 15. Take care. If you're trying to learn web development, good luck. I'm also trying to get better at web development. Um, so good luck with your goals and take care. I'll see you.